Eliar was founded in Istanbul, Turkey in 1984 with the aims of developing and producing industrial automation systems and marketing to the world. Eliar received its first order from Şişecam, one of the world's leading glass manufacturers, and here established a fully automatic blend preparation system. With the knowledge and experience gained here, Eliar succeeded to become the ultimate solution partner for other prestigious glass producers in the following years. Since its establishment, Eliar closely monitored the progress and the technological expectations of the textile industry in Turkey. Following the quick expansions in the industry, finally in 1989, Eliar produced dyeing machine control devices, developed central monitoring software, and made a rapid entry to the textile industry. The growth of the textile sector in Turkey has attracted foreign companies. High quality expectations from export customers pushed both textile companies and machine manufacturers to search for alternative solutions. During this period, Eliar has made great contributions to Turkish textile sector in line with the targets they have demonstrated to export. In 1992 and the following years, Eliar electronic products took their places in textile companies in different countries of the world. Closely following the technologies in mechatronic dosing systems and analyzing the needs of the industry, Eliar focused on developing liquid chemical dispensing systems with a strategic decision, and detailed studies gave their first fruit in 1996. Working with the revolutionary robotic weighing and distribution principle, RD96, unlike all systems produced to date, create great curiosity in the industry. Eliar, who received very positive feedback from the industry for this innovative product, has devoted most of its resources to develop further mechatronic dispensing systems, as it was foreseen that the quality expectation of textile industry will increase further, and this expectation can only be met with automatic factories. Completing the mechatronic product range until 2000, Eliar developed and specialized in the production of dyestuff, powder chemical, and laboratory automation systems, in addition to liquid chemical dispensing. Eliar became the first and only company in the world with this success able to gather the software it develops, the electronic and mechatronic systems it produces under one roof. As a result of changing production and management strategies along with the millennium and the adaptation of the textile industry to these innovative approaches, Eliar opened new horizons in the expectations of the sector by making the entire product group to be communicating, monitoring, and remotely controlling. In 2010, Eliar collected data from all production stages of textile companies and analyzed this data with new software modules and smart sensors, has made great contributions to improve production and shorten process time. These improvements were naturally reflected in the industry as an increase in quality and efficiency. Eliar started to provide turnkey automation projects with its wide and expert staff, performing field applications of all the system it produces and all software it develops. As its name stands for Electronic Manufacturing and R&D, one of the founding purposes of Eliar is to always develop innovative and applicable technologies. In this context, Eliar was entitled to become the official R&D center in 2015 in order to work in cooperation with Turkish and international universities, corporate companies, and other R&D centers to understand the needs of the industry and to shape its future. As of this date, it was the first and only R&D center serving the industry in the field of industrial automation systems. Eliar is aware of the fact that the only way to progress in line with the future vision is qualified knowledge, qualified workforce, and optimum cost triangle. With this awareness, Eliar continues to consolidate its presence in the sector with total 150 engineers specialized in their fields, R&D center that guides the technology, 3 separate factories with a total of 10,000 square meters, dealership network in the textile centers of the world, and more than 1,000 installed systems operating automatically and 100% in integration.